we know that conjunction means to join together. So, conjunction means joining together. In English language, conjunction is a joining word that is used for joining together sentences, words, and groups of words. We know that and, but, or are different types of conjunctions. Today, we will learn a little more about them. Let us look at the two sentences here. Anne is young. She is full of energy. Isn't it natural that Anne is full of energy because she is young? We usually see that young people are very energetic. So, young, full of energy are related ideas. How do we join sentences which show related ideas? We know that we take the common part out. What is the common part? Anne is, she is referring to Anne. So we will take the common part out, then join the two related ideas, young, full of energy, with and our new sentence will become Anne is young and full of energy. The meaning of the sentences has not changed. Only instead of writing two sentences, we are writing one sentence. Now, let us look at these two sentences. My grandfather is old. He is fit. Do we usually get to see old people who are very fit? No, we usually don't get to see old people who are fit. So, old, fit. Are they related ideas? No. They are contrasting or opposite ideas. So, old, fit are opposite or contrasting ideas. Now, how do we join sentences which show opposite or contrasting ideas? Let us see how we do that. We will see that there is a common part in both the sentences. What is the common part? My grandfather is. He is refers to my grandfather. So we will take this common part out. My grandfather is. So what are we left with? Old, fit. How do we now join the two contrasting ideas? We use but. But is used to show contrast. What is the contrast here? Old, fit. So our new sentence becomes, my grandfather is old but fit. Can we say here, my grandfather is old and fit? We cannot say that because old, fit are opposite ideas. So, we have used but to join the opposite ideas, old, fit. So, what are we saying? That instead of two sentences, we have written only one sentence. But here is the conjunction that is being used to join the two sentences and to make the contrast between old, fit much more clearer. The meaning of the sentence has not changed, only we have made it into one sentence. He is young. He is mature beyond years. Are these two related ideas? Young, mature beyond years? No, they are opposite or contrasting ideas. So, how will we join the two sentences? We will take the common part out. What is the common part? He is. Then we will join the two contrasting ideas with but. And what will our new sentence be? Our new sentence will be, he is young but mature beyond years. Here, but is the conjunction that has joined two contrasting ideas, young, mature beyond years. Also note that the meaning of the sentences has not changed, only the contrast has become much clearer. He is intelligent, he is careless. Does this usually happen? We usually don't find this happening. So, are they related ideas? No, they are opposite ideas. What are the opposite ideas? Intelligent, careless. So, how do we join the two sentences? We will take the common part out. He is. Then we will join the two contrasting ideas with but. So, our new sentence will become, he is intelligent but careless. But is bringing out the contrast between two opposite ideas, intelligent, careless, in a very clear way. Smita solved the difficult sum quickly. She solved it correctly. Now, both the sentences here show or represent contrasting ideas. So, how will we join both the two sentences? We will use the conjunction but to join them. Now, how will we join them? Let us see. In the second sentence, she solved it correctly. She refers to Smita and it refers to the difficult sum. So, how will we join them? We will join them as Smita solved the difficult sum quickly but correctly. Now, you will note that solved has been used in both the sentences. So, we will write it only once. Rajiv started late for his school. He managed to reach on time. Rajiv started late for his school but still managed to reach on time. Aren't they opposite in nature? So, the sentences show opposite ideas or contrasting ideas. Started late for school, managed to reach on time are opposite ideas. So, how will we join the two sentences? We will use but to join the opposite ideas. What will be our new sentence? Rajiv started late for his school but managed to reach on time. So, but is not only joining the two sentences, it is also making the contrast much more clearer. Now, can you join the following sentences using but? My father is hard on outside. He is soft from inside. Hard on outside, soft from inside are two contrasting ideas. So, how will we join the two sentences? We will take the common part out. What is the common part? My father is. He is referring to my father. So, we will take the common part out and then we will join the two contrasting ideas, hard on outside, soft from inside with but. And what will our new sentence be? My father is hard on outside but soft from inside. So, but has joined which contrasting ideas? Hard on outside, soft from inside. So what did we learn today? We learned that but is used to show contrast or opposite ideas. There are many more conjunctions and we will soon learn about them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at DeltaStep is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.